Hi, my name is Erica. I'm an SAT tutor, and today we're going to be doing this problem here. If you find that you need a little bit of help getting ready for the SAT, I do offer tutoring services, and the link for that is in the description box below. But let's get started. So this is from the problem solving and data analysis domain and the skill. So if you look on your SAT and like the practice SAT, and they'll break things down of what like you need to work on and whatnot. The skill for this one is percentages. Okay. All right, so let's jump right into it. The number of zebras in a population in 2018 was 1.27 times the number of zebras in this population in 2014. If the number of zebras in this population in 2014 is p% of the number of zebras in this population in 2018, what is the value of p to the nearest whole number? Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is kind of get an understanding of what the heck is even happening. So we've got a population in 2018, and it's telling us what it is, okay? And then we've got a population, it's a different color. 2014 is p% of the number of zebras in the 2018 population. So we're going to want to define these things. So let's make, let's do y. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Y equals the population in 2018, and then we're going to make x the population in 2014. Okay, so this is going to be that one, this is going to be that one, and so now we're going to want to create equations for these situations. So for the yellow one, for y, so it's saying y is 1.27 times the number of zebras from the 2014 population. So it's going to be times x here. The other equation, the purple one, we are going to do x. So the population in 2014 is p%. Typically when you see like is in one of these things, that's going to mean equals. So x equals p% of the population 2018. So that's going to be times y. Okay, now we don't really like having the actual percent like in the equation, so we want to convert that to a decimal. But because p isn't an actual number, the way we're going to convert it to a decimal is simply by doing p over 100. Okay, and that's what we're looking for, by the way. We're looking for p, and then we're going to do times y. Now, if you notice, we have, let's do pink. We have two different equations here. It's almost kind of become like kind of like a systems of equations like situation to where we would substitute one equation to another, sort of loosely. So what we're going to want to do is plug one of these equations into the other one. And so the one that we're going to want to do, we're going to want to plug y, I'll do this one, y into this y right here. Okay, so scroll down a little bit. We're going to do x equals p over 100 times, we're going to do 1.27x. Okay, so just notice that all I did was plug the right-hand side into this piece right here where y was. And now we're just going to solve for x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 1.27x. Okay, on the left-hand side, these x's cancel. So we're going to be left with 1 over 1.27 equals p over 100. All right, now we want to isolate p. We're going to multiply both sides by 100. Oh, I should have done purple. Times 100. Sorry, I'm really tired, and using colors makes me pay attention a little bit more when I'm tired. So we're going to cancel out the 100 on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, we're going to have 100 over 1.27 equals p. When we do that in the calculator, that's going to equal 78.79. Now, if we look at the actual problem, it says, what is the value of p to the nearest whole number? So the nearest whole number for p is going to be 79. And that's going to be your solution for this specific problem. Again, if you're thinking you're needing some tutoring, I offer the services, link down the bio. I also do like group classes, courses, and whatnot. But I'm just kidding. Yeah, okay. Hope that helped. I'm gonna go to bed now. Bye.